Hey there, and welcome to Alpena. Today, we're going to introduce our new heavy-duty turbo blower. It's compact, heavy-duty, and portable. From the campsite to the work site, the Alpena turbo blower is your one-stop solution for all of your airflow needs. Now let's see how it works. An 80,000 RPM motor with 5 speeds reaching up to 100 kilometers per hour. Rechargeable batteries, a compact lightweight design, and an LED work light. With all those features, the Alpena turbo blower offers you the airflow versatility you need for work or play. The Alpena turbo blower comes with 3 attachments, a USB-C recharging cable, your Alpena turbo blower, and your hard case for easy transport. Now let's see how powerful it is. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for even more state-of-the-art engineering from Alpena.